Did you know hiccups happen because your body loses control for a few seconds? Sounds weird, right? Welcome to Healthy Vibes. Hiccups occur when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly contracts without warning. Right after that, your vocal cords quickly close, creating the famous hic sound. But here's the shocking part. Scientists still don't fully understand why hiccups happen. Eating too fast, drinking cold beverages, laughing hard, stress, or even excitement can trigger them instantly. Your nervous system and breathing muscles suddenly become temporarily uncoordinated for a few seconds. Most hiccups disappear quickly, but sometimes they can last for hours or even days in rare cases. Scientists believe hiccups may be linked to ancient evolutionary reflexes left over from our early ancestors. Your body performs thousands of automatic actions every second, and even a tiny disturbance can create strange reactions like hiccups. This proves how complex and sensitive your nervous system truly is. Want more mind-blowing health facts? Subscribe now and stay tuned with Healthy Vibes.